Now this is the last part. Now you will notice that in this slide, I already put the actual number of the test questionnaires or the test items. So under remembering, I put there 1 in 10, followed by 11, followed by items number 3 and 20, 19, 7, items 24 and 25, and so on and so forth, as you can see in the table. For understanding, I allocated items 5, 9, 18, 4, 8, 16, 13, 21, 22, and 23. For applying, I allocated 26, 27, 30, 33, 34, 35, 28, 36, 39, and 40. Under analyzing, I allocated items 29, 11, 32, 38, 37. For evaluating, items 41, 42, 43, 46, and 47. For creating, I allocated items 44, 45, 48, 49, and 50. Now, in order that you will not be mistaken by the assigning of test items, you must do it consecutively starting from 1. So what I did is I put number 1 under remembering, then I put number 2 under remembering also, but on different learning outcomes. Then number 3, I put the under remembering also, but on a different learning outcome. And number 4, under understanding, up to item number 50. So you will do it consecutively. Because if your idea is putting different item numbers by cognitive levels, let us say you start first by remembering, then you will commit errors. You will commit errors because you might skip some other item numbers. So the best practice is start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 50. Of course, you have the freedom to choose where to put the particular item. In that manner, you will not skip any item number. But the best practice is put the first part of your test questionnaires or test questions on the remembering or understanding. Because under remembering and understanding, they are the easiest one. And it is a common practice that when you construct test questionnaires, the first 25 items or the first 30 items is devoted to the easy part. Then, in the middle part of the test, the moderately difficult. Then the last part is the difficult ones. That is the reason why in evaluating and creating, you have 41, 42, 43, 46, and 47. That pertains to the questions included in the test questionnaires. In creating, you have test question number 44, number 45, number 48, number 49, and number 50. That is the difficult round of the test. So that concludes my presentation. Your table of specs is done.